You got to have red and green swirl on the Cheesecake Blondies. Hi, my name is Kyle, and welcome to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. And today, I'm going to show you this is one of my new recipe for Christmas Swirl Cheesecake Blondies. First, you want to start with preheat your oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to make sure the oven just preheated. You want to take 8-inch square pan, overlap it with aluminum foil to line up, and I spray it with non-stick cooking spray. We're going to set it aside to start with the base. For the Blondie base, I'm going to put 4 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm going to follow by half a cup of firmly packed light brown sugar. It's going to break the sugar. Okay, use it with a whisk. I'm going to make sure to whisk this around to dissolve. Just the butter and the sugar, just smooth that over. Now we're going to add 1 large egg. Make sure it's room temperature. It's going to be well incorporated. I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Just keep going. You're just going to set this aside while I'm going to make for the dry ingredients. Now for the dry ingredients in a separate bowl, I'm going to put in half a cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. I'm just going to stir around. I'm going to use that with a whisk. So let's put the dry to the cream mixture. I'm just going to use that with a rubber spatula. So I'm going to see how to form into a nice soft batter. So we got the Blondie base, moving on to the cheesecake batter. Now we're going to do for the cheesecake batter, in a medium bowl, I just already put in 8-ounce packages of room temperature Philadelphia original cream cheese. I'm going to put a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. I'm going to add another egg, has been room temperature. And of course, 1 teaspoon of pure lemon extract. I just want to beat this until it gets smooth. Here we are, guys. The cheesecake batter is very nice and smooth. I'm going to reserve the batter into 2 portions using a 1/4 cup, like this. I'm just going to put it into 2 bowls. So let's put this into the first. Now you're going to add the color to each one. We're going to use the red and the green. So let's stir these colors to get it be very vibrant. We got this color all together. Now we're ready to assemble. We're going to pour the Blondie base into the prepared pan. Just going to spread it over evenly. Just spread it over. Just going to put the white cheesecake batter. Just going to spread it first. I'm just going to spoon the dollar of the color of the batter. I'm just going to swirl using a toothpick or a bamboo skewer. If you can also use a butter knife. It works very easy. Alright, after you just swirl, next you're going to bake it for 30 minutes in the oven until the cheesecake is all set. I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like. Cheesecake's ready. Let's take it out of the oven. We're going to put this on a wire rack to cool it at room temperature for 40 minutes. Now you can quickly add some Christmas sprinkles. Just put it on top of the cheesecake while it's still hot. I'm going to use for the leftover for the holiday decors. Got it at the Wonder Shop at Target from last year. Alright, just let this cool at room temperature for 40 minutes. So after 40 minutes to cool, I'm going to go ahead, cover tightly with some plastic wrap. You want to put it into the refrigerator for 1 hour to chill. I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks. So after just 1 hour, you're going to take it out from the refrigerator, like I just took it out already. Then you want to lift it from the pan, put it on the countertop. Now I just already lifted the blondies from the pan. I'm just going to peel from the edge. I'm just really careful. You just want to peel off the foil and you're going to cut it into 12 squares. Right, I just cut it into 12 squares and I'm going to put that onto the serve. And here's the finish. Christmas Swirl Cheesecake Blondies. If you're interested for more recipes, let me know in the comments below. View always before sharing. Subscribe to my channel, Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. Click the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video. And don't forget to give it a big thumbs up for everyone. As always, happy holidays.